Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift tutorial. And in this tutorial, it's not a Swift tutorial, I'm going to be doing a soundboard series, but it is Swift tutorial. And this is part 2 of a soundboard series. So in this part, we're going to be adding in the assets. In the previous part, we created the UI, and if I just run it now, I'll just show you what I have so far. Basically, it's just a collection view which has 10 cells, and it just let me show you guys, just has these cells. So these were just demo cells, and now I'm going to be adding in the real data. So I have a TNT block, a guitar picture, TNT sound, just quit that, and a guitar sound. I don't want to open music, but those are it. So the first things we're going to add are the sounds, and to add sounds in, you just add them like that, click finish with those settings, and we just do this for this other one as well. So now we have our two sounds, and if I can play this in here, you can see I can hear that. I don't think you guys can hear that, but I can hear it. And same thing for the guitar. So yeah, and now for the images, it's also pretty simple to add these in. So what we can do is we just create a new image set, and I'll just call this TNT. I'll just drag and drop these in. And then we also create a new image set for the guitar like that, and I'll just drag and drop these in. Okay, so now what I can do is in the view controller I can create a new struct, and this is just going to be for storing our images and sounds all in one place. So I can name this struct something like sound, and inside of it we're just going to have an image name which we can use to reference the image. This is just a string. We also need a sound name, which is a string, and we also need a sound extension, I think it's called, or sound file type. I'm not sure what you call it, but it's just the .mp3 or mp4 or .wave. So yeah, and that's also a string, since you need those for the things. Okay, so now what we can do is we can just add these in the view did load. If we go here, and we can just create it here, or what we can do is we can just create it right here. So let's just create let soundboard objects is equal to an array of sound, and then inside of this I'll just add them in one by one. So for the image name we have just TNT. We'll do that one first. So the image name is TNT, the sound name is TNT sound, and the sound extension is mp3, like that. And we can add in another one like this, and for this one the image name is guitar guitar, the sound name is guitar sound, and the extension is mp3. We just need extensions for sounds. I'm not really sure why, but you just need them. I think it's because you add them in here and not the assets folder, but that's just how I like to do it. And now what we can do is, instead of just returning 10 here, we can return soundboard objects. So return soundboard objects. I wonder why that isn't existing. Objects.com. Okay, maybe it's just a build error then. And then here, instead of UI image system name bookmark, what we can do is we can do cell.soundimage.image is equal to soundboard objects indexpath.row.image name, and just change the set as well. Oh, that's the wrong thing. I just realized I still need to do UI image, then you just do named, and then it's just soundboard objects. Oh, I know, it's because I did a capital B. Soundboard objects indexpath.row.image name. I don't know why it's not compiling. Oh, that's why I spelt it wrong. Okay, that makes so much more sense now. And yeah, so I'll run this now, and we should have two cells in which, two cells, and it's a TNT and a guitar. And yeah, there we go. So the idea here is that you can add in more images, and all you have to do is add them in here, and you should be able to get it. So now in the next tutorial, and in the next part of this, I'm just going to be making it so that when you click this play sound button, it plays a sound. But for now, all I can do is just move this into the global variable space so that I can access it from here as well. And yeah, okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.